It's time for laughs, it's time for fun, it's time to learn for everyone at Nana's Cooking Craft Corner.
Hello and welcome back to Nana's Cooking Craft Corner. And first of all, Lacey says, hello everyone. Okay, there we go. In this video, I'm going to show you how to take a simple plastic spoon and a plastic cup, instead of throwing it in the garbage, and recycling it into this beautiful vintage plant holder. So let's get started. So this is what the plastic cup looks like. We happen to like Tim Hortons, but that's another, I don't want to advertise for them. But anyways, and this is the bottom. It goes like this. And I took it, glued it, and I would glue this and leave it for like a day before you start the rest of this, because if you start painting it, it gets too wet and it'll separate, and I had an issue with that. So there it is, these two things, and there's your spoon, okay? That's what I started out with. Glue this the day before with normal white glue. This is what you end up with, and I painted it, and I want to show you how I got this, because it looks like a terracotta color, and to get that, I used brown and orange, and I mixed it in there's another thing, don't throw away these containers, take the label off, and it's good for mixing other acrylic paints. So I used an orange and a brown, and I made this kind of terracotta color, and I'll shove this aside. So there, you paint the whole thing, looks like this. Okay, let it dry. It's going to take about 2-3 coats, and wait in between each coat. Now when it gets to this point, this is when I came up with, right here, Google prints. I went to Google and got prints that I like, vintage prints. And I'll do some of this with you, but maybe not the whole thing. But I'm going to tell you, I love this one here. So I'm going to put this as part of the front right here. All right, so yeah, we will do a little bit together. So before I did this, I actually took this here. Now, it could be any kind of stamp. You don't have to do this. I just like doing it. I take the sponge and I go around here and sponge all of it to give that rustic kind of look. And I go down here a little bit.
Make it look like it's older.
And it makes it look like it's older. Well, vintage. That was my goal with this anyways. Again, anything I do here, it doesn't have to be. It could be any color you want. It could be light, pink, blue, yellow, whatever you want to do with it. You don't have to make it vintage looking. You could make it, you know, I've got other projects coming up, but make it like for Easter or whatever, Mother's Day, whatever inspires you to go with it, whatever color. I like doing recyclable things because anybody can do it, even including kids, and it's cost effective, which who doesn't like that? Anyways, so, and I'm gonna put a little dabber on the spoon if you want, it's okay? Just a little bit around the spoon. Now, also, I'm going to take the picture I plan on doing here, and I want to sponge the picture a little bit. All right. All right, so then that's, I'm going to take this glue, the Mod Podge I use all the time. I love this stuff. And all this stuff, all the supplies will be listed down below. So I'm going to go like this. And I'm going to put it all over here. All right, I like that. And I'm gonna take, I found some other things I like to put on here. All right, I saw this, which I thought was kind of cool. It was a background, and I'm gonna take, it was like this. I cut it in half, and I love this picture. Okay, so this, like that. I'm gonna go to the back here, or the front. Again, do this. So I'm going to, I gotta think how I did this, right there like that. And here, make sure there's enough adhesive. All right, let's go here. Think about center. Right there. Okay, I like that so far. I'm going to do something else here. I like doing it a little bit on the cup itself with this. Just a little bit of dark marks. All right. There. Now I saw, there's a couple other things I like. I have these butterflies and these wooden embellishments that I really liked, and I thought, let's see. Yeah, I'm gonna do that. I'm gonna put something here. Oh, I don't like that. Right there, looks cute. Maybe another one. Okay, so I got all these wooden embellishments I'm putting on here, which I kind of like that idea. I think that looks kind of cool. Right there, giving a little 3D effect. Okay. Let's see, what else do I like? That's good. Oh, Lacey's saying hello to you. All right, and she's... Yes, you can't have this, baby girl. I'll make you another craft later. All right. I had something for the spoon I wanted to do. I could find the piece. Where is it? It was like a little circle. There it is. Right here. I'm gonna cut this out. Okay, I like sponging it all the edges. Okay. There we go. And a little more Mosh Podge. All right. All right. Oh, need some more. Not enough. I'm going to Mosh Podge the whole thing, at least 1 to 2 coats, and let it dry really thoroughly, okay? But for the purpose of this video, I can't finish it. It'll take too long to dry and do 2 coats. But I'm just showing you what I did. I even went over the wood parts. I went over everything delicately, even here, all over. Okay, and I'm going to finish this off camera. Okay, so I took the plant, I put it in this container. It has holes for drainage. And then I took this and I put that in here, okay? And then I did this spoon. Again, it's gonna dry, but you could put anything which makes it cool. Let's say this was a sage plant or a chive or anything. You get a little vintage thing that says chives or whatever you wanna name it. You shove it on the spoon, okay? And you put this in the dirt. No, I don't like it there. Let's go here where you can see it, okay? Now it's got to dry, obviously. I'm just putting this for the purpose of the video. I'm showing you. And then I took some of this. I don't know if you this here, this, I want to call it grass or hay. And I'm gonna shove this all around in here. Now this it makes it look nice for decorative purposes, but it also is good for the plant, keeps the moisture in for the plant from drying it out. And then you just have to put water every so often to keep it, you know, it healthy, and it's gonna look really cool in here. And it's all recyclable, things that I used. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and give it a subscribe, a like, and comment down below. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you soon. Take care.